Today's read aloud is titled Recycling, Yes or No? Introduction. Recycling is an important part of taking care of the environment. Though recycling can help the planet, is it always the best choice? Before you decide when to recycle, here are some things to think about. Arguments for recycling. Garbage is not good for the planet, but people create a lot of it. Think of the things you throw away every day, such as juice boxes and paper. All of the trash gets sent to landfills where it sits in a huge pile and may pollute the environment. There are about 7 types of plastics we use every day, but only 2 of them are recyclable. Recycling is something that people can do to make the giant pile of garbage a bit smaller. Instead of throwing things away, recycling makes new things out of old materials. So we have paper, glass, plastic, and metal. If you see this symbol right here, made from 100% recycled material. When the new things have been used up, they can often be recycled all over, creating a cycle of old to new and back again. That's why the recycling symbol is made up of 3 arrows creating a loop. The recycling process helps create less waste and saves important natural resources such as water, wood, and minerals. Recycling 1 ton of paper saves 17 trees and 7,000 gallons of water. Wow. So we are going to pause here, and on the next slide you're going to tell me 1, what is the author's purpose for writing this argumentative text? And 2, what are some supporting details that the author is using to back up the idea that recycling is a good thing? Give me at least 3 supporting details.